So to prove an answer, you simply, this is an X, this is a Y. We take them and put them in when we see if it works. This is a skill you have to understand and use on a lot of different things. So X is 0, so 3 times 0 minus 6 times negative 3 is equal to 18. And then, of course, I pick up my handy-dandy calculator, and I say, okay, 3 times 0, well, that's gone. Negative 6 times negative 3 is 18. So, yes, it works in the first equation. But in a system, you have to prove that it works in both of them. It will not work in both of them if it's the wrong answer. So let's try the second one. Negative 7 times 0 minus 5 times negative 3 is equal to 15. Well, negative 7 times 0, that's gone. Negative 5 times negative 3, that's positive 15, is equal to 15. So this is indeed the answer to the system. Now, I'm sure you're thinking, well, of course it is. You told us it was. But if this were a multiple choice test and you did not know how to solve this, this is one of the things you could do, is put this into the system and try the different ones out. So let's try it. Let's do 9. Okay, this time X is negative 1 and Y is negative 3. So 9 times negative 1 minus 7 times negative 3 is equal to 12. Let's try it out. That's a negative 9. A negative times a negative is a positive 21 equals 12. If I need to, I can put that in my handy-dandy calculator, and I realize 12 is indeed equal to 12. So, but since it's a system, we have to do it on both of them. So here we go. Negative 5 times negative 1, okay, plus 9 times negative 3 is supposed to equal negative 22. Well, a negative times a negative is a positive 5. Negative 3 times 9, that's negative 27, equals negative 22. And when I join those two together right there, I do indeed get negative 22 equals negative 22. An answer to a system has to be an answer to both of them. All right? So in this one, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to see what happens if we use something we know is not the right answer. We know 6 is the right answer. Let's see what happens when you use something that is not the right answer. All right, so here we go. 9 times negative 8 plus 7 times 5 is negative 30. So 7 times 8, that's negative 72 plus 35 is equal to negative 30. And then when we join these two together right here, let's see, what do we get? Oh yeah, negative 37 is equal to negative 30. Well, that's not true, is it? So this cannot be the answer since it doesn't work. So that's proving your answer, and you have to be able to do that on a lot of these tests.